Ever wondered how incredible teachers seem to have the superpower of making their lessons engaging and personalized for each student? Well, here's a little secret. They've got a trusty sidekick called ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard it right. Great teachers are using this amazing language model from OpenAI to revolutionize the way they help their students to brainstorm creative ideas, tailor lessons, and even communicate effectively with students and parents. Let's get into and discover how great teachers unleash the power of ChatGPT to unlock their students' full potential. Let us tell you about this awesome thing great teachers are doing with ChatGPT. They've cracked the code to personalized learning experiences. It's like magic. With ChatGPT's super intelligence, these teachers can really get to know their students on a whole new level. It's not just about knowing their names and faces, but understanding their unique learning styles, interests, and strengths. How cool is that? So armed with all this valuable information, ChatGPT works its wonders by generating study materials and resources tailored specifically for each student. No more one-size-fits-all approach. It's all about personalized learning, whether a student learns best through visuals, hands-on activities, or in-depth explanations. ChatGPT's got it covered. It's like having a personal tutor for everyone. And the best part, students feel more engaged and motivated because they're getting what they need to thrive. It's a win-win situation, and that's why great teachers swear by ChatGPT to create an educational experience like no other. They're truly making a difference, one personalized lesson at a time. And you know what teachers think is more awesome about ChatGPT? It's not just some boring answer machine. It's like a critical thinking coach for students. Instead of spoon-feeding answers, it encourages them to put on their thinking caps. It throws out questions that make their brains go into overdrive, asking them to analyze, evaluate, and sharpen their problem-solving skills. It's like having a brainstorming session with an AI buddy. This process of questioning and reasoning helps students become active learners, taking charge of their own understanding. It's all about empowering them to think independently and creatively, and that's the real magic of ChatGPT. So forget dull answers, let's get those neurons firing and minds growing. What's really cool about great teachers nowadays? See, students in a class can have all sorts of unique hurdles to overcome. Language barriers, learning disabilities, and just plain old struggles with certain topics. But with ChatGPT by their side, teachers can tailor their approach to fit each student's needs like a glove. The AI adapts, adjusts, and makes learning accessible and engaging for every student. So gone are the days of one-size-fits-all teaching. Now with ChatGPT, great teachers can create personalized learning experiences and make sure no one gets left behind. How awesome is that? And you won't believe the magic that ChatGPT brings to group discussions. It's like having a super smart facilitator right there with you in the classroom. Teachers these days are using ChatGPT to spice up their group discussions like never before. It's not just about summarizing points. This AI genius can also ask follow-up questions that really get the conversation flowing. And the best part is, no one's voice gets drowned out. ChatGPT ensures that every student's opinion is heard loud and clear. It's like having a superhero mediator making sure everyone gets a chance to participate. Teachers love this AI sidekick, and students do too, because it makes discussions more engaging, inclusive, and enlightening for everyone involved. Moreover, have you heard about how great teachers are leveling up their writing classes with the help of ChatGPT? It's like having a writing wizard by their side. This incredible AI does more than just check grammar. It offers nifty suggestions and creative prompts to inspire students to write like never before. Picture this, students crafting captivating essays and compelling stories, all thanks to the magic touch of ChatGPT. No more struggling to come up with ideas or wondering if the writing flows well. With ChatGPT's support, students are honing their writing skills like pros. It's the ultimate writing buddy for every teacher who wants to see their students soar in the world of words. Now let's talk about time management and planning, two crucial skills for students. You know, keeping up with assignments, projects, and exams can be overwhelming. But guess what? ChatGPT's got your back. It's like a virtual study buddy. With ChatGPT, students can create well-structured study schedules that fit their unique needs. You can set reminders for those all-important deadlines so you never miss a beat. It's a game changer, seriously. Plus, it encourages effective time management, which means you'll have more time for the fun stuff too. So if you're tired of last-minute cramming and stressing over due dates, give ChatGPT a try. It'll be your ultimate time-saving, stress-busting companion on the journey to academic success. Let's picture this. Teachers can program ChatGPT, that super smart language model, to give personalized career advice to students. It's like having a virtual career counselor right at your fingertips. So here's the deal. Teachers feed ChatGPT with info about a student's interests, strengths, and what they dream of becoming in the future, and bam! ChatGPT churns out the tailored guidance that aligns perfectly with each student's unique aspirations. It's a game changer, really. No more cookie-cutter advice or one-size-fits-all solutions. With this tech-savvy approach, teachers are helping students explore exciting career paths and make informed decisions for their future. The way teachers handle feedback and assessments. It's like having a virtual assistant that can tackle the mountain of assignments and assessments effortlessly with ChatGPT. With its keen eye, ChatGPT points out those tricky areas where students need improvement and suggests ways to enhance their learning further. It's like getting personalized tips for each student without breaking a sweat. And the best part is the teachers can focus on the nuances of the feedback, knowing that ChatGPT has their back. This game changer saves hours of time, and students get the benefit of targeted guidance to reach their full potential. It's no wonder why great teachers everywhere are raving about this incredible AI tool. Also, ChatGPT is making a real difference in tracking student progress. It's pretty cool. With this fantastic language model, teachers can keep records of all those interactions with students. And guess what? It's not just for show. That data is like gold, helping teachers spot areas where students might need some extra help. So you know what that means? Teachers can adjust their teaching strategies like superheroes, ensuring every student gets the support they need to succeed. It's like having a personal progress tracker for each student, guiding teachers on their mission to unlock every student's potential. Teachers are raving about how ChatGPT can suggest mind-blowing project ideas and be the guiding light throughout the whole development process. It's not just about getting a random idea. This nifty tool encourages students to think outside the box, nurturing their innovation and independent thinking skills. With ChatGPT, projects become exciting adventures where students explore new territories and take charge of their learning journey. It's a game changer for educators too, as they can inspire their students with fresh perspectives and ignite the spark of creativity in every single one of them. Some of the great teachers these days are all about making sure their classrooms are accessible and inclusive for every student. And what is behind it? ChatGPT is their secret weapon. This AI wizardry helps them create an environment where no one gets left behind, especially students with diverse learning needs. From those who might have visual challenges to those with hearing impairments, ChatGPT steps in like a pro. It can generate text that's easily converted to Braille for visually impaired students, or even assist with providing written explanations for those with hearing difficulties. It's like magic. With ChatGPT by their side, teachers are making sure everyone gets a fair shot at learning and growing in their classrooms. How awesome is ChatGPT for teachers when it comes to creating assignments and tests? It's like having your own personalized assistant at your fingertips. With ChatGPT, teachers can whip up test questions and assignments tailored exactly to what they want. And guess what? They can even ask it to include the grading criteria, making life so much easier. No more spending hours racking your brain trying to come up with the questions. Just let ChatGPT do the work. And here's the cherry on top. For some tests, like short answers or multiple choice, ChatGPT can even do the grading. The power of ChatGPT in the hands of great teachers is undeniable. It's a remarkable tool that streamlines tasks, boosts creativity, and personalizes learning experiences for students. From crafting engaging assignments to connecting with parents and beyond, ChatGPT is the ultimate ally for teachers striving to make a difference. So if you're a teacher looking to take your classroom to new heights, don't miss out on the incredible benefits of ChatGPT. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.